This is ABC 15 News.
The future of SB 1070 in the hands of a federal appeals court. Thanks for choosing us. I'm Katie Rammel.
And I'm Steve Irvin. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco will rule on 4 points of the immigration law. It is the portions Judge Susan Bolton put on hold just days before the law took effect in July. After today's hearing, it could be weeks before the judges make a decision. And no matter what they decide, it will likely be appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, inside, judges heard arguments on both sides. Outside, the protesters were making their arguments on the streets. ABC 15's Rudabeh Shabazi has been covering that hearing from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. And Rudabeh, there was some friction today.
Well, yeah, you know, this is an emotionally charged issue at home in Arizona, and here in California, it's no different. Protesters showed up on both sides, some to express their support for Governor Brewer, others to express their disdain for the bill.
SB 1070 raises Arizona law.
We want a real solution to questions of immigration. We want families maintained together. We want legalization. And we want a future that lets everyone here and that's been a part of building this country.
About 200 protesters gathered outside the court on the streets of San Francisco. Most of them were against the bill the governor says is designed to protect citizens against border crime and illegal immigration.
Support Arizona!
I am a very big fan of Governor Brewer.
But she also had supporters in the crowd who wish their state would follow in Arizona's footsteps.
To stop this insanity of allowing just anybody to flow across our borders and live and take our jobs as well as the benefits that are here.
But others worry about copycat laws in other border states like California. 22 other states now have in motion similar bills.
It's a much, much bigger issue than Arizona.
If the federal government takes each of those states to court and sues them and their governor, we are not their enemy. We are part of the United States of America.
And most of the players in this case, including Governor Brewer, expect a split decision from the judges, meaning they'll uphold parts of the law and those will go into effect, but that they won't agree with all of the provisions of the law. Either way, it'll be at least a couple weeks before we hear a decision from these judges. Reporting live at the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco, Rudabeh Shabazi, ABC 15 News.